Hey Ryan, look what I got. I'm gonna hit a body. What? What then? I challenge you to a duel! Summon the arena of duels by challenge! Okay. Are we changing?
Yeah, we're changing.
Can I clap this time?
Your hands are made out of clay.
What the puck are you?
Dude, you can't say that. This is a kid's video.
I'm saying puck. Like hockey puck. With a P. What do you mean this is a kid's show? You're not wearing underwear.
What they don't know can't hurt them. What are you supposed to be?
A Russian?
A Russian?
Yes, a Russian.
You don't look like her.
This is what Russians wear.
Maybe after apocalypse.
You heard of something called Chernobyl? It's a big thing over there. We're changing.
Take that, Russian. Scotland for life. Wait. Freedom! Wait. What?
We shouldn't be fighting.
Why not?
Because we're brothers. Russian-scot brothers.
Yeah, we are.
We need to go to the source of our problems. The noisemaker.
Here it is.
Remember what we're supposed to do.
Okay. You can break it. Let me see this thing. Throw it against the wall. Let's just throw it away. Wait. Okay, let's throw it away. Get that trash can right there. Die!
Well, all that dueling made me really hungry.
Yeah, me too.
I'm going to get a snack.
No! It's gone. Sweet. No! No! What? It's back? What is?
The noisemaker.
No way!
Dude, I thought we got rid of it.
It hit me.
I was in the kitchen
No,
getting a cookie.
it's not alive.
It hit me.
We're overreacting, man.
It's not in the trash can. Look at this. Oh, cops, man.
No, dude, we gotta take care of this ourselves. They'll think we're crazy.
We are crazy.
Give me a gun, man. Just give me a gun.
I'll give you the gun.
Ah, it's long range.
Break it off. No one needs that part anyways.
Go, man. You lost your ammo. You're gonna need that.
Take a shot.
Alright. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
No, oh my God. It's time to end